NFTs are unique digital assets representing ownership of items on a blockchain. OpenSea is the leading NFT marketplace. To start, you'll need a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. These integrate with OpenSea for secure transactions. Create an account on OpenSea and connect your wallet. Understand fundamental concepts like blockchain immutability, intellectual property rights, and potential tax implications. Be aware that NFTs are often treated as collectibles for tax purposes in many jurisdictions. After you understand these concepts, you are ready to move on to the next step. To create and sell an NFT, start by uploading your digital file to OpenSea's creator tools. This can be an image, video, or other digital content. Next, set the NFT's title, description, and royalties for resales, typically 5 to 10%. Choose a blockchain like Ethereum, Solana, or Polygon. Consider using OpenSea's gasless minting to avoid upfront fees. List your NFT for sale at a fixed price, in an auction, or as a bundle. OpenSea charges a 2.5% service fee on sales. Payment is in cryptocurrency. Promote your NFT via social media and relevant communities to increase visibility and potential sales.